Close up the casket and open the door. Boot on your neck, I might stomp on your throat. Kick in the back and then clear out the safe. 300 black, you gon' clear out your face.
Alright, man, let's start y'all for this Spaz, man. So, what happened in this video was I was trying to record the audio through my AirPods, forgetting that my AirPods themselves are actually messed up, so the sound sounds crazy. But what you're looking at right now is me forgetting that I was in a trade after starting my $60 demo account, trying to realistically build, show y'all that it's possible, you feel me? So, I forgot about it, but I was able to close with profit. You feel me? I was trying to leave with 90 piece, to be honest, if not close to 100. But we got out with 80 something because the broker was doing some weird shit. So once we reset the page, we was able to get out and we closed with 87. And I'm currently looking for more setups, so stay tuned. And the next clip will have audio. Area. This is my last screen recording trial, so I was trying to catch a quick scalp. I'm a gamble on this one because I want to show y'all like the strategy do work. I just gotta wait for this confirmation because I don't want this to be. I don't want to be like, oh yeah, I want to show y'all this shit work. Like this shit work right now. As soon as you put forth the effort, as you can see, it's working. That's just literally going down to the zone I wanted to go down to. I'm just not quick enough. So let's just say boom. We in sales right there. Now remember the retrace and all that shit is normal. We want that. Bow. Look, that's where a lot of people start shining out. When you watching that 1 minute, that's where you start to get your heart start fluctuating and shit like that. You get they're breathing heavy, like, oh my god, why is Priest not going in my direction? That shit finna touch my zone. We gonna TP right there. Quick little bullshit scout. Nothing crazy. I ain't get like that was a scout that I could have stayed in. Possibly all the way down to my what, guys? To my supply. I mean, to my demand zone. I literally taught a supply and demand strategy in the first 30-minute video that is now like probably a 12-second segment in the beginning of this whole fucking video. You feel me? So I had taught y'all this. I had literally ran. But mind you, you can go search this shit up. You can go search this shit up and learn it from anybody else. So you feel me? I'm still looking down there. That's my problem. I'm still looking down there where I'm at. But instead right here. But yes, as we can see, that shit sinking beautifully down to the zone I wanted to. Me personally, because it went in the middle of the zone up here, every time it goes back to touch the zone, it usually touches the middle of it. You feel me? So I could go in for like another couple more dollars, I would want to say. But we not. That's where that greediness shit come into play. You feel me? So if I'm lying, I'm lying. What you talking about? So yeah, like I was saying, that shit usually go look. You look right there. Yeah, I think it's up. I don't know where it's at on your screen, but look at that. It's doing exactly what I said it was gonna go. Now imagine if we would have held that trade. I would have just turned my $60 that I just deposited this morning into like 120 and some change, bro. If not a little, you know, you feel me? And if you don't, you're kind of lost. I don't know what to tell you, man. But that's what we got for the most part. This, like I said, this is my last time being able to screen record like this. So if the next part of the video not like this, and I'm not in this corner, and I gotta do a little voiceover or some shit like that, and type and all that extra bullshit, my apologies. I'm not paying for this damn app. That shit's not that fire. Fuck is you talking about? I'd rather go get OB. I got OBS. Alright, bro. Spaz off this shit, man. Not for real. This not the end of the video though. So I'll see y'all in a second. You see how I did that? Like, it would have made a difference anyway. Like, the whole shit's not finna just transition over. Alright. That was my vlog. Alright. Alright. So, we currently in narrow bars. I'm about to close out at 95 probably. And just take profit there. Slightly. 98 is valid. So, like I said, I was gonna come try to find the setup. As you can see, I found one. I was also looking at this 1,000 bone USD. I missed this right here. I seen this happen, and I knew it was going up for this retest, but that was on my other account, and I actually made $100 off of that trade on my other demo account. But we here for the $60 challenge. That's what we here for. So, you feel me? We just struck off of that a little bit. And we gonna let that shit. I'm gonna look for another setup and see what we looking like. You feel me? Bro. What? What I just missed out on, that I was gonna go in for a buy. I didn't go in for a buy because I was scared of reversal. I missed it. Don't trade with your emotions, please. Alright, so we in there for a quick scout. Real quick one, nothing crazy, nothing long. Real quick one, nothing crazy, nothing long. Real quick one, nothing crazy, nothing long, you feel me? Taking that. I don't know what we about to do at that level. I don't like that little rejection that we getting. You see, I got a stop loss from down here that Ben said, but fuck that. I'm in order, waiting to be filled, because that's where I thought it was. Say, man, life of a trader, man. Life of a learning trader. So we was able to. You see where we at, man, off the $60, man. Y'all done seen it. It's in this video. Y'all done seen me make it happen, bro. You feel me? So let's keep this shit going, man. Look for another setup. I got 1 minute left to the screen record, so I'm gonna pause this shit and try to find another quick one, and then I'll probably call it a little night. Alright, so currently in this, you feel me? I'm gonna hold it, and we're gonna see, cause we in the uptrend at the moment, so I'm gonna hold it a little longer, see what happened here at that little retracement, you feel me? Might get stopped out on this one, should've left in profit. I got my stop loss set below, a little bit below this, you feel me? To be honest, if it even passed this, I'm good on this trade. But it's like, this is still that's still a lower high. That's still a lower low somewhere. So considering that that's still a lower low somewhere, we just gonna let that cook. If I hit stop loss, I hit stop loss. That's why it's good to have a stop loss in place. And we're gonna see what happens, man. Alright, so I ended up falling asleep. I had just woke up. Okay, I had woke up at 5. It started at $60 shit. That should have started today anyway. But I had fell asleep. I had just not waking up. I fell asleep in the trade. I had my stop loss and TP set, so we did make it to 253. We got
would not accept my
250 to go, man.
So
Try to reach that 250 today. Try to reach that 250 before 5. Go ahead and get this video up. Then, that's my $60 challenge passed. And within 24 hours. Crazy work. I started my $200 challenge on the 23rd. I got done with that. I got that to 900 by yesterday. I started the $60 challenge yesterday. I was supposed to start it today. So, all in all, we having good days. Just damn. I don't know. Man. But yeah, let me see y'all in a second. Alright. So I'm currently waiting for a break out of this consolidation. But that shit looking slow right now. Just flipped 200 into 900 after market close on a Friday. Took me till yesterday afternoon, I believe. So you gonna see. Alright, I did get in on that trade I was telling you all about. We just gonna see how that go, cause it didn't respect that, so I wanted to go down here to at least test this. Like, all right, you feel me? Not for nothing. I wanted to pull out, but I'ma hold, and we gonna see where that shit go. Alright, so I just set a stop loss, bro. I don't know. I do not know. It's just like, I don't know.
Well, then I was reading somewhere where they said that you should get your nails done before noon. It's something about people.
Stop loss above that level.
What are you talking? You don't even read.
Alright, bro. I'm getting the fuck off this shit. God damn it. I got fucking stopped out just for that shit to still reach my fucking zone. That shit got me hot, bro. I don't even know how to fucking tell y'all, bro. Like, that shit really got me fucking livid. And for another quick scope, literally an in and out real quick. If I give me a decent little push back down. Back down, not that way, sir. Back down, back down. Yeah, back down, please. Hold on. I let that bit sink a little bit, man. Let that shit sink just a tiny bit. Just a little bit, man. I got the drop on it for like 3 seconds and that shit never came back. Alright, let me stop. I'm off of that at 26. Alright, long story short, no fucking progress made, I feel like, because I just went from 3 back to 236. So that's not bad, but I'm not happy with that at all, guys. Trying to go for another quick stop down to these levels. Hopefully. Try to see right now. I'm gonna let that cook. Alright, currently in this trade. TP right there. That's awesome. A quick scout. Let's see where that go. See that ATP. Stop loss for this level. Hold on. Now see that. Getting close. About to see me right here, these levels. I know y'all see some. You can right there up under it. Just like that. in a quick scout. As you can see, that shit literally hit my TP, it looked like, and shot back up, bro. If I'm not mistaken, don't it look like that? Like, look, am I bugging? I'm stop lossing right here for the simple fact that's crazy. What? But how do I tell you I'm trailing? I don't care. How do I tell you? It's like I don't want to trail too close, but then again, it's like I'll take it. Next setup on the way, man. We finna reach at least 4. And for a quick short to these lows, hopefully, to this little demand. I got. Let's see how that goes. As per usual, after we went out of the little lower day, came back down just how we did over here. Market usually repeats itself, but rather than aiming for this lower low, I want to aim for this support zone that started this whole uptrend.
What do you say?
Which could really be this one. I can aim for that as well, but
You think you made the wrong choice?
we're not gonna aim for that. But we're gonna let that cook. Bro, how do I tell y'all that shit hit my TP and that shit did not fucking like process or something? It had me hot, and we ended up hitting stop loss at the end of the day. And I ain't fucking with it personally. I'm not fucking with it. That would have been my little. I would have been right there, close. I would have been close as hell to 4. I don't remember exactly how much it was at, but it said just like, damn, bro. But it's good. Next setup coming soon. Road to 500, man. 60 to 500 within 24. That's what I'm aiming for. We're trying to get this shit done by 5 o'clock. It's currently 1:23 on Sunday, May 25th, as I record this voiceover and put it into this video, this part that you're watching. So we're gonna see, man. I think we initially closed out at like 317. So we back in our threes. We was at our threes earlier, but we back in our threes. Now we just trying to get that last little 200 push and call this shit a challenge, you feel me? And then I got 5 tips to become profitable. I'm trying to post after that. I'm working on that right now, you feel me? Alright, so I just had to sped this process up, but this is me going in for another quick scalp. A great at probably the best scalp. Alright, so after this point, I actually took a bad trade, and I blew that shit down back to like, I believe 261. Yeah, I believe I blew it back down to 261. But then I did a good ass trade in the next clip, which y'all about to see. So just stay tuned for that one. But then after that, I had reacted off an impulse trade that eventually did come all the way back up and hit my TP, bringing me to 400 I wanted to. But I don't recommend doing that. And y'all not even gonna see that because it didn't even record. I forgot. The computer's low on space, so I had to go clear some shit out, and I was not able to get that, which kind of made me mad. I'm gonna express it in the next clip. Yeah, I just recorded the whole fucking video of me getting this shit to 400, and it didn't even fucking work. Long story short, I got in a position right here. Nah, that's not even it. That's something old. I got in my position right here. I got in my buy position right here. I closed right here. Then when I realized I closed at a 400, but it didn't reach 400. So I went back on an impulsive trade, which you shouldn't do. And that shit shot all the way down to this level and before shooting up here and hit my take profit and bring me to 472. You feel me? That happened at 2:55. It's now 3:08. It's not a big deal. It's just like, damn, I thought I was recording that shit. And it was like, it was a good recording. That's why I'm so frustrated. We're gonna be at 500 soon. 500 before 5. You're gonna see it. Yeah. Oh, also, I had recorded the 5 tips to profitability, and that shit did not record because my phone's low on space. So I gotta fix that. I'm gonna redo that video later. Bro, I cannot make this shit up. When I tell you, bro, look, we met the goal. I said 5:43 is Sunday, May 25th. We started this challenge literally just last night. We were supposed to start it today though. Anyway, that's besides the point. I caught all of that. I caught us going from 400 all the way to 523. And look at this shit right here. I only caught the end of the fucking video. I don't even know if I caught that big ass shit, the big ass push that got me to that 523. It ain't even open again. If it open, cause tomorrow Memorial Day. So. Like, bro. Either way, man, we reached the goal. If you got this far, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. The end of the video, I already said all this, so you finna hear all that shit again. I ain't finna do it. All right. It ain't even open again. If it open, cause tomorrow Memorial Day. So. All right. So like I said, I wasn't able to catch the move, but I caught that big ass impulse. That shit just shot down out of nowhere, and I pulled. Yeah, me. Yeah. I don't even got no follow, no subscribe. Y'all, this video probably ain't gonna be seen until 2027. It don't even matter. I did it, bitch. Hey, bye bye. I'm off this motherfucker.